Ignite your passion for automotive excellence with the breathtaking LEGO Technic Bugatti Chiron, the ultimate gift for car enthusiasts and budding engineers alike. This extraordinary collectible brings the legendary supercar to life through an immersive building experience developed in genuine partnership with Bugatti Automobiles, SAS, ensuring every detail captures the soul of this automotive masterpiece. Immerse yourself in a world-class building journey featuring 3,599 precisely engineered pieces that come together to create the iconic Bugatti and its signature duotone blue finish. Whether displayed as a centerpiece in your collection or enjoyed as an interactive model, this show-stopping creation delivers unmatched sophistication that will impress collectors and LEGO fans of all ages. Marvel at the incredible functioning. Features that mirror the real Bugatti's engineering marvels. From the active rear wing and realistic W16 engine to the sophisticated 8-speed gearbox with working paddle shifters, the authentic suspension system, detailed steering mechanism, and meticulously designed spoked rims complete this 108 scale masterpiece that arrives in luxurious packaging with an exclusive collector's booklet, asterisk, at an impressive 22 inches long, 9 inches wide, and 5 inches tall. This magnificent model commands attention while capturing the essence of automotive perfection in every curve.